This video is going to talk about the difference between downloading and uploading, primarily using Google Docs and Microsoft Word. So, as you can see on the screen, I have Google Drive open up. And on Google Drive, I have created a Google Doc just by clicking New and then going down to Google Doc and creating a Google Doc that I wanted to present. So I will open that up. And here you can see the diagram that I have created that is a model that can help further explain downloading versus uploading. These two terms can be easily mixed up, although they are completely different. They have completely different meanings. So first I want to talk about downloading. So when you download, you're taking a file or a document from a server and putting it onto your computer. So you are taking an external file or document and then downloading it onto your own computer to access. Oppositely, when you are uploading, you're taking a file or a document on your own computer and then uploading it onto a server. So you're putting it onto another server. For example, you might upload a Microsoft Word document onto Google Docs if you wanted to share it with others instead of just emailing it out. Sometimes it's easier for people to just upload it onto Google Docs for it to be accessed there. So you'd be uploading it from your computer and putting it onto the Google Docs server. If you downloaded a document, you would take something from Google Docs, so a file from Google Docs, and then downloading it onto your own computer. So I'm going to show you how you can do that first. So if you wanted to download a document, so let's say I wanted to download this document into a Word document on my own computer. So I want to take it from Google Docs and put it onto my computer. So the first thing you do is go to File and then go down to Download As. Once you're at the Download As part of this menu, you can see that there are a couple options. You can download it as a Microsoft Word document, an open document format, rich text format, PDF document, plain text, or a web page. We're going to first choose Microsoft Word. And then once you have clicked download as a Microsoft Word, you're going to open the document. So this is what the document is from Google Docs. Now sometimes, like you can see here, this document doesn't look exactly like the document that I created on Google Docs because sometimes the text from a Google Doc does not always transfer to a Microsoft Word document. This is where you would kind of have to edit it on your own if you wanted to make that document a Microsoft Word document. If you do not mind, a way to change this is a way to change it and to ensure that you have all of this content from your original Google Doc is to go to File, go down to Download As, and then click PDF document. Once you click PDF document and you download it as a PDF onto your computer, all of the contents from that original Google Doc that you created will be downloaded onto your computer. Now, PDF documents cannot be edited, but you can have all the content right there, the text and everything. So that is one way to download a document and everything on that document on Google Docs to your own computer using PDF or Microsoft Word. Oppositely, I want to talk about how we can upload a document. So what we're going to do, I have made a separate Microsoft Word document that shows the same kind of diagram of uploading versus downloading. And I'm going to upload this onto Google Docs. So that means I'm going to take it from my computer and upload it onto Google Drive. So I'm going to click New, this little rectangle over here, and go down to File Upload. Upload is the keyword. I saved it under the document titled Upload versus Download, Microsoft Word document. I'm going to double click it. And down here you can see that it is showing uploading first downloading document, and it's finally uploaded. So you can X out of that. And you can see by the little blue Microsoft Word logo that the Microsoft Word document was uploaded onto Google Docs. So I can double click that. And although I can't edit the Microsoft Word document on Google Docs, I can still share this document with colleagues or peers or whomever I would like to share this with on Google Docs. So if you wanted to edit it again, obviously you could re-download it onto your computer, or whoever you share it with could download it onto their computer and edit it that way through Microsoft Word. But it shows you a little preview. If you wanted to share this document once you've uploaded it onto Google Docs, this is how you would do that. So here's your Microsoft Word document. There is a little person with a plus sign next to it. You can just go ahead and click that and then enter anyone's name or email address that you would like to share the document with. You can share it with as many people as you'd like, and they can edit it as long as you give them permission to. You can also share Google Docs that you've created through Google Doc. So if you would prefer not to download this Google Doc onto your own computer and you'd rather share this document through Google Docs, you can just simply click share, the blue little rectangle in the corner, and do the same thing. Enter any names or email addresses that you'd like for the people that you want to share the document with, and you can either allow them to edit, comment, or view. So hopefully you learned a little bit about downloading versus uploading and using Google Docs as a network to transfer documents. You can download and upload using Google Docs, and it's a great way to share resources and tools with your colleagues or anyone else that is willing or eager to learn.